Welcome to Debasso Vision's studio art space. I'm going to take you on a tour. As you can see, we start off just coming in. I feel like I'm greeting old friends. All of these are in our Replace the Face series, where you can have your face replace any of the faces in the paintings. Some are just friends that I've captured over the many months. This wall in particular I love because it's so nice and bright. I use this space in the summer as the drying room. So there are always many nice, wonderful, beautiful ladies waiting to ship out. And over here we have our abstract corner. These would look nice in your office or break room. Give me a call or message me and I'll give you a personalized tour. This wall, as you can see, you don't have to have huge paintings to just have a portrait of yourself that really represents your spirit. Abstract. This is a replace the face option as well. She has arrived. All of these are replace the faces, of course, except for Leo the lion. He's bold, but these ladies can be you. She's fun, she's free, she's enjoying her life. That could be in your office as well. It's just like she's sweet. She's powerful. They're dancing and having a good time. She's deep. Oh, yes, she's free, just chillaxing, unwinding. It's Friday. This is a survival series. All of her hurt and bruises. A self-portrait, and then the second piece in the survival painting, where she comes out on top. As you can see, I've mixed my paintings that I did personally in with my home decor, and they just fit in. The colors are vibrant and rich, and I just love how they blend in with my accessories. These are gifts that I eventually plan on giving to my son for his college graduation. That lion reminds me of him. It's so cool. I hope you've enjoyed the tour. Please message me with any information on anything that you have seen, and I would love to paint you. Are you on my wall?